क्यों हो रही है प्रीति जिंटा ट्रोल और क्या कह रहे हैं लोग उनके एक्सेंट के बारे में? जानने के लिए स्टे ट्यून और देखें इस वीडियो को एंड तक। प्रीति जिंटा ने ग्रेस किया था कैंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल 2024 का रेड कार्पेट अपनी अपीयरेंस से, लेकिन उनके एक्सेंट सबको पसंद नहीं आया। टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रीति जिंटा's accent, a person asked why Indians modify their accents when in foreign lands, engaging with natives. Actor Preity Zinta left everyone awestruck जब उन्होंने अटेंड किया था 77th edition of the Cannes Film Festival। लेकिन एक चीज और थी जिसने सबकी अटेंशन ग्रैब करी, वो था प्रीति का एक्सेंट जब उन्होंने इवेंट पे बात करी थी। People on social media platforms questioned why she was using a fake accent for the event. Preity Zinta wore a sequined pink sari and matching blouse. She wore large earrings and opted not to tie her hair. The actor spoke with her fans and also signed autographs. She was also seen clicking selfies with her fans. A clip of the actor from the event was shared by Brute India on their Instagram handle. अपने आउटफिट के बारे में बात करते हुए प्रीति ने कहा, "My look was simple yet with a little bit of sparkle." She added that her sari was designed by designer Seema Gujral. When asked about how she felt about being the part of the event, Preeti said, "It's wonderful. I'm coming after a long time. I'm very excited and happy to be here." People took to the comment sections to point out the change in her accent. A person said, "I am perplexed as why Indians modify their accents when in foreign lands engaging with natives. It comes across as distinguished. Why cannot they retain their genuine selves?" A comment read, "Why do you all fake your accent? Just stay and talk the way you are." An Instagram user said, "Her accent got me. They sound absolutely ridiculous when they change their accent to one. That is some bizarre cosmopolitan made up one. Whatever happened to her accent, that's how colonization works, making one feel inferior in speaking their own accent." From Priyanka Chopra to Zinta. Another comment read, "For once, why can't they define the place from which they come from? Wearing a sari symbolizing Indian authenticity, but the accent." जहां एक तरफ लोग उनको ट्रोल कर रहे थे, तो वही उनके डाई हार्ट फैंस ने सपोर्ट भी किया और कमेंट किया दैट शी इज बीन लिविंग इन अमेरिका विद हर अमेरिकन हस्बैंड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। रीडू, पीपल शुड स्टॉप जजिंग हर एक्सेंट। ऑल्सो शी इज नॉट स्पीकिंग टू इंडियन मीडिया, सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हर टू कम्युनिकेट इन अ वे दे अंडरस्टैंड। एक और कमेंट में जिंटा को सपोर्ट करते हुए लिखा, "People criticizing someone speaking Hindi in an English accent is understandable. But what's wrong here? Her husband is a foreigner, thus this accent, even if she wouldn't have married a foreigner, even then speaking English in an English accent isn't wrong. She's an Indian and wore Indian attire to represent India. We should focus on the positive aspects rather than finding fault in everything." Well, आपको कैसा लगा प्रीति का Cannes look and what are your views on her accent? Let us know in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.